If you're dealing with low fertility soil and want to boost your plant growth without spending money on expensive fertilizers, here are 7 practical and budget-friendly tips to help your plants thrive naturally. One of the simplest and cheapest ways to improve your soil is by adding organic matter like compost. You don't need to buy it, just make your own from kitchen scraps like vegetable peels, coffee grounds, and eggshells. These materials break down and enrich the soil with nutrients that plants need to grow. If composting isn't your thing, you can also use grass clippings, leaves, or even shredded cardboard as mulch. As they decompose, they improve soil structure, moisture retention, and overall fertility. Your kitchen is full of natural fertilizers that cost you nothing. For example, crushed eggshells are a great source of calcium, and when sprinkled around your plants, they help strengthen cell walls. You can also use used coffee grounds, which are rich in nitrogen. Simply sprinkle them on the soil or mix them into your compost. Banana peels are another hidden treasure. They're packed with potassium, which helps plants flower and fruit. Just chop them up and bury them in the soil. If you have some compost lying around, you can create compost tea, which acts as a natural liquid fertilizer. It's super easy. Just place a handful of compost in a container, add water, and let it steep for a day or two. Then strain out the solid bits and use the nutrient-rich liquid to water your plants. It's a great way to give your garden a quick and free nutrient boost. You don't need to buy commercial fertilizers. Fish tank water is a free, nutrient-rich liquid you can use to water your plants. If you don't have a fish tank, try using molasses, which is a natural fertilizer that's easy on the wallet. Just mix a tablespoon of molasses with a gallon of water and use it to water your plants. It's packed with potassium and trace minerals that help plant growth. Low fertility soils often lack proper aeration, which makes it harder for roots to grow. But you don't need fancy tools to fix this. Use a simple garden fork, stick, or even your hands to gently poke holes into the soil. This allows air to reach the roots and helps your plants grow better. If you have clay-like soil, you can add a bit of sand to improve drainage and prevent compaction. Companion planting is a smart and low-cost way to boost plant growth. For example, beans and peas are nitrogen-fixing plants, meaning they help add nutrients back into the soil. Planting them alongside heavy feeders like tomatoes will naturally improve soil fertility. Also, certain plants like marigolds and basil can help repel pests, reducing the need for chemical pest control and keeping your garden healthier. Instead of using tap water, which can be full of chemicals, collect rainwater for your garden. Set up a simple rainwater collection system using a barrel or bucket. Rainwater is often gentler on plants and helps them grow stronger. When you water your plants, make sure to do so deeply but less frequently to encourage roots to grow deep into the soil. This will make your plants more resilient, especially in low fertility soils. By following these 7 tips, you can improve plant growth in low fertility soil without relying on expensive fertilizers or chemicals. It's all about using what you already have, making the most of organic matter, and working with nature to help your plants thrive. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy gardening hacks. Let me know your favorite tip, and feel free to share your gardening experiences in the comments.